Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you want to feel like you are in the tropics while you're sleeping?
These sheets add so much to the bed. It really makes sleeping fun. It's really easy to make up the bed because these sheets are so light and so comfortable. I really love the pattern of this sheet too, in opposite directions. The pillowcase is really easy to put in. My husband is not good at putting pillowcases in, but look at how much easier it is for him with these sheets. And this pillow is pretty big and chunky, so it really did not take him that long to put it in. It's super soft and really nice to lay on. The details of the flamingos are really awesome. I love the size of them too. Not too big and not too small.
So if you like flamingos and you're looking for a nice sheet set that doesn't wrinkle, that's nice and soft and comfortable, I would highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.